We have already started po actually asking alternative development partners po to support us in Mindanao Rail. I'll share po some of the developments.
Let's continue. We are not counting your statements to my time.
Aba. Number one po, for Mindanao Rail Phase 1, we have already earmarked funding po from the Asian Development Bank for the updating of the feasibility study. Ito po kasi yung feasibility study natin came from 2017 to 2018. Ito po yung naging basihan para po mag-umpisa tayo nung usapan natin with the previous development partner na hindi po nag-pan out as Secretary Lopez was saying. And ngayon po na kinakausap na po natin yung mga alternative development partners, isa po dun sa mga hinahanap po nila sa atin as isa pong updated na feasibility study. So right now po, meron na po tayong earmarked funding for that updating po ng feasibility study from the Asian Development Bank. So yun po yung una. Pangalawa po, doon po sa dati pong Phase 3 na ngayon po ay Phase 2, na Mindanao Rail po mula sa Laguindingan Airport papunta po sa Villanueva, sa municipality po of Villanueva. We have been coordinating po, including po with your office, Congressman. Yung pre-feasibility study po natin para po dun sa Phase 3 ay tapos na. Okay. So ang gagawin po natin ngayon, base na rin po doon sa naging usapan po recently with Secretary Dizon, yung updating po nung feasibility study for Phase 1, tsaka yung pag-usad po from pre-FS to FS nun pong Phase 2, pagsasamahin na lang po natin at nang sa ganun, isang feasibility study po, sabay na po ang Phase 1 and Phase 2 at yun po yung gagamitin natin na basihan para po doon sa continuing po natin na pakikipag-usap po for other development partners. So far po, Honorable Congressman, we have talked po to the French. We have also talked po to India. We have discussed this po with the Asian Development Bank. Ang kaso lang po is para po sa Phase 1, medyo paso na po kasi yung feasibility study natin from 2017-2018, kaya po sila nangihingi ng update. So, balikan ko po yung tanong dun po sa roadshow. I guess po, ipaliwanag lang po na continuing po yung paghahanap namin ng development partners. Hindi po siya one time na may parang event po. Pag may lumalapit po sa amin, pag may nakakausap po kami na potential development partner, the French, the ADB, the Indians po have sounded off, even the Koreans po have sounded off, we always include po Mindanao Railway in the list of projects po na naghahanap po tayo ng bagong partner. Yung step 1 po natin, which is yung updating po ng feasibility study po for Phase 1 and yung pag-usad po natin from pre-feasibility study to detailed feasibility study po para dun sa Phase 2, uumpisahan po namin ang procurement nung consultant po. Ito pong 3rd to 4th quarter po of this year. Mag-umpisa po tayo ng feasibility study po by the middle of next year, para po by first half po of 2027 po, meron po tayong updated feasibility study, not just for Phase 1, but combined na po with Phase 2, which will be Laguindingan Airport po to Villanueva.